and today we're going over some Mind Studio information. So if you're a nurse running a clinic, you probably don't have time to write polished YouTube descriptions every time you upload a video. I know I don't, but it's a big mistake because some of the videos that I've done for my clinic have generated 30, 40,000 views, and it comes down to description. So the YouTube descriptions that you upload every time are how people find you and decide whether they're going to watch or not. So that's where AI comes in, and you want to be able to leverage AI so that it's helping you and not just making more busy work for you. So today I'm going to show you how I built an agent in Mind Studio that will take your video transcript and create professional formatted YouTube descriptions in seconds. So now I'm using this one video here that we have, and this isn't even my video. This is somebody else's video. So you can do this for with anything. You can use it for your own videos. You can use it for somebody else's videos. If it's on YouTube, it's fair game. Okay. So basically, what you're going to do is, one, you're going to sign up for Mind Studio, and the link to this is in the description notes. If you use the link that I give you, we have special bonuses and prizes for you. So Mind Studio is free. It is a software that you're going to use to leverage AI, and what I'm going to show you is part of the free version. Now, you may want to upgrade at some point, but if you want to get the bonuses from NursePreneurs, sign up for free using the link in the description. All right, so basically what we're going to do, I have Mind Studio. It's already in my Chrome bar, so I'm going to just open it up, and here it is. It just shows up. And what I'm going to do is go over to this agent called YouTube Video Description, and I'm going to click on it. Mind Studio is going to think about it. It's going to read the video, and it's going to ask me this question. Okay, so it wants to know if I want any style or formatting for my description. And maybe you do it. Maybe you want to make sure it adds certain hashtags or something. So I just said make it professional, avoid hyper salesy type language, and make sure it reflects the outcome of the video. So after the video, you'll know XYZ type of thing. So these are, you don't have to put this. This is certainly optional. But if you want something consistent, you would put it in these notes here. So next, again, so what Mind Studio is doing is going through, it's reading it, read it pretty fast. So it read the video, it listened to the video, it got the transcript, and now it's creating a YouTube video description. So if I were going to post this, right, and one of the things you could do is upload your videos. If you're doing this for yourself, upload your videos unlisted first, then get Mind Studio to read it, and now you got a YouTube video description. Now, we paid for software that did this, and I would run out of credits and all this stuff. But now YouTube can be read directly by Mind Studio. So this just saved me a lot of headaches. This saved me from hiring a YouTube channel manager. Like it prevented a lot of things. It saved me a lot of money, and it was super fast. So here it is. Here's the video description. It's the name, what it is, the key highlights. By the end of this video, it gives some timestamp chapters. Some keywords are already in here. Catch the full video here. Now, if you wanted a call to action, you could have added that in that notes before, where it said, is there any more information that you want? You could have said, please end the video, or please start the video with this call to action, and put the link in there. So whatever you want to add to this, and then you can just copy and paste it, add it in, and then make your video live or schedule it for whenever you're going to do it. All right, so I want to show you some of the behind the scenes, like why this works, how it works, and what we're doing. So this is Mind Studio. This is behind the scenes in Mind Studio. And this is the workflow, right? So what you're seeing, let me go back. So this is when you first log into Mind Studio, this is where you see what you see, and then you want to go into build, and that's what we are doing. We are building a new agent. So we're going to create our new agent. We have this in draft. There it is. Okay, here's my draft. And then basically these are the different modules that we use to build it. These are already pre-built for you, so there's nothing to do. You can just use it as is, but just to give you some background, because these are some of the things that we will do. We will build different agents that you need specifically for your business in the program that we have. But this is some basic stuff that's ready to go. It's in Mind Studio right now. So the user input, that's where we were before. And that's what these notes are, right? So if you wanted to put something else like, let's say you wanted to do, remember to add hashtags or your CTA with the link, right? You could do that. Or you could put the link here. Remember, the link address is, I don't know, test.com/ get now. Okay, whatever the special link is, right? So you could put that. If you wanted to put a placeholder, you could say, remember the link, right? Whatever you want. So this is all customizable. That's all I'm showing you here. And you can change it too. So there's these other things that you can do, but I would leave this as is, and we'll get into more complicated things in the program. Now, this is just the module that fetches the video. There's absolutely nothing to do here. Don't change anything. And then in generate text. So this is how it's getting the information. So it's going to create an informative, engaging YouTube description. And this is the prompt. So this is what we call an AI prompt. So this is just a prompt, but it's built into an agent. So there's the two different things that we have. So we're going to review the entire transcript, identify the main theme, and all of this you can change, right? You can do anything you want here. You can leave it as is. If you like what's happening, again, you could do number 7, right? You could add 7. Always add a call to action at the end of the description or at the beginning of the description, wherever you want it. And then it's use this link for the CTA. And then it's whatever, getnow.com/getnow. And that will pop up. So I'm going to take this out. And then it's giving some YouTube specific detail, like keep the total description between 150 and 300 words, excluding the chapters and keywords. And then here's the context, here's the video details, and that's it. And then style notes, avoid sounding salesy, avoid hyperbole. Description should be direct and unopinionated while engaging. Description, and again, all of this is stuff that you can fix. And then the output behavior is going to display that to the user, so you get to see it right away. There's other options, and we can get into those as we move along in this, but this is how this works. And, Mind Studio, it's free. This is something that once you get it on their Chrome extension, this is amazing, and it's a game changer, and it'll make your life so much easier. So hopefully this helps. And